Let's see our first question when it comes to input processing output. This is an electricity bill example. The user needs to enter his name, as you see here. He also needs to enter how many kilowatts of electricity and how many gallons of water. We need to calculate the total bill. Straightforward. Enter name, kilowatts, gallons. The prices here, as you see, electricity rate is 35 dirhams per kilowatt. Water rate is 2 dirhams per gallon. And as you know, you have 100 dirhams in the Qatari Riyal. The rates should be configured as constants. In your code, you're going to configure the rates as constants. So let's see what we have here. We need to calculate first the electricity bill, water bill, and the total. The output should be in Qatari Riyal, all the calculations. So here we have the water bill, 2 decimals, electricity bill, 2 decimals. So let's see our input first, and we need to define constants before we start calculations. Here is our first code. Let's first define our constants. Usually constants are defined using all caps. So electricity rate, and it's equal to 35. Remember, 35 dirhams. Then water rate is equal to 2. And if you want to use this, dirhams per Qatari Riyal, QAR, is equal 100. Now our input, as you saw in the question, name and kilowatts used and gallons used. Name is a string. So we said name, input, and enter name. Now, kilowatts is equal to integer in the question. It could be float, but I think it's integer. Input, the question would be enter electricity usage. So enter electricity usage and in kilowatts. Then I'd say gallons here is equal again integer, input, enter water usage in gallons. So now I have all the inputs and no validation in this question. So now how much is the electricity? Will be number of kilowatts times electricity rate. But remember, this is going to be in dirhams. So let us say here, electricity cost is equal kilowatts times electricity rate, which is a constant. And we can divide this by dirhams per Riyal. So we will get the output here in Riyal, since we are dividing by 100. Water cost is equal gallons times water rate, again divided by 100. That's it. So now total for both of them, total is equal electricity cost plus water cost. So the output in this case should be, and it should be formatted as requested, print F customer name, and here we'll say name. Then we would say print F electricity bill and is equal to electricity cost and we can format it :.2f, and here we say QAR, which is Qatar Riyal. And finally, water cost F, water bill is equal to water cost :.2f and QAR, and the total, let us say, is equal to both already calculated here. So I can say print F total utility bill, and here total .2f QAR. That's it. If I go back to the question, here is our question. Maybe we need to just add this output. It's not a big deal, just a print. And customer name, electricity, and so on. Now I would go to the code and run. Enter name, Steve Jobs, 1000 kilowatts and 569 gallons. So customer name, Steve Jobs, electricity bill in Qatar Riyal, water bill is this much, and total bill is that much. Using constants help. If you change the price, you don't have to touch the code. You just come here and change it, for example, to 45, and this one is 12. The code will work according to the new rates. Another example in a simple input processing output program is going to be like calculating taxi cost. This is a taxi calculator. Of course, the rate depends on the distance and the waiting time. So let us say here our taxi charge you base rate 8 riyals. Yani when you get in the taxi, the starting rate is 8 riyals. Then for every kilometers you have 60 dirhams. And for every minute he waits is going to be 90 dirhams. So that's it. We need to calculate what? The total payment or total charge of the taxi. So our input is going to be the name. Second one is the distance, and notice the distance is float, and the minute can be a float or integer. Base rate always is there, 8 riyals. Then we have 60 dirhams for every kilometers and 90 dirhams for every minute we wait. Our input is asking about these three things. Let's go and start the code. Here is our code. We can start by defining the constants. Let us say base rate is 8 riyals and cost per kilometer is equal to 60 dirhams. Cost per minute is equal to 90 dirhams, and you can say dirhams per, this is optional, dirhams per Qatar Riyal, which is equal to 100. This is optional, you can do it by just dividing by 100. Okay, our input is name and number of kilometers and waiting minutes. Name is a string, usually. Okay, name is equal input, enter name. Here I need to say input. And then we need to take kilometers, which I believe usually a float. It's not a rule, but I believe it's a float. Enter number of kilometers, and here I would say minutes, which is integer, I said, input, and enter waiting minutes. Good. And here, let me just modify this to enter. That's it. Now we know all the input, no validation required. We know all the constants. So let's calculate, for example, the cost per minute. Cost per minute, which is kilometers cost, because at the output we need to specify kilometer, or let me call it distance. Cost is equal to kilometers times cost per kilometer, which is 60 dirhams. Of course, you need to divide it by 100 because we need the cost to be in reals. Now, waiting cost is going to be minutes and multiplied by cost per minute, constant, and again divide by 100. And total, of course, remember, is base rate, which is 8 reals, plus distance cost, plus waiting cost. That's it. All calculations have been done. Now we can print the output. A print, let us say here, customer name. And here I would say name. Then I can say print. Let me quickly do a few things here. Base fare, okay, which is base rate here, and colon.2f QAR. I copy paste this because I need it. Then I need distance and waiting. Distance cost is equal to distance cost here, okay, and waiting time cost is equal to waiting, and finally print. I think in the example there is like a line like this, which is not a big deal. And now print total charge, trip charge, let us say. Total trip charge is equal to total here. So now I would run this. Run, enter name, Steve Jobs. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers. How many minutes? 10 minutes, let us say. So it would go and calculate 10 kilometers by 60 dirhams plus 10 minutes waiting time. So let us see here. Customer name, Steve Jobs, base fare, 8 reals, distance cost is 6 reals, and waiting time, total trip charge is whatever amount. Again, okay, here, taxi, receipt, let us say, okay, just some kind of output. So we defined our constants, took our input, did some calculations. You could have done all these calculations in one step. But since you need this at the output to be broken down, it's better to calculate each category separately. So these are typical input processing output questions. They use input of different types. Sometimes you need to define constants. You do some calculations. It's a good idea to do them one by one. And then you do some output. Here is our question, taxi base fare, and we did calculate all these things and the output.